motorcycle enthusiast, and today we are at the Motocross at Ngong Road. So all of you know that I bought myself a scooter. It is not compared to a motorbike, but I decided to come today to check this out, and it's so muddy but it's so exciting, and I want to bring you guys with me today to see. And welcome to Adventure Series with Wangishan. Welcome to another episode, and let's get into it. Let's go have some fun. And yes, I'm not alone. Look who is here today with me.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi.
So we are going to go and watch this motocross and have fun and enjoy ourselves. I've never been to one, although I love motorbikes, but I'm not even sure that I don't know. I actually want a motorbike. I already have a scooter, but I want a motorbike. But I don't know if my family will allow me to get a motorbike.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
You already have such a big problem when I ride the
Not me,
scooter.
but the rest of our family does. Me, I'm used to it.
Anyway, so let's go, and I think it's the kids first and then the adults later. I don't know, I think so. So anyway, let's just go and have some fun, and let's enjoy this episode together. This is how our day is going. It's happy. That's the action. Yeah, come on. Yes.
That's awesome.
You wanna sit down now? Let's go there and try look and eat.